Where is a good place to find subject to deals? One good one is if you have an area that's new homes, okay, and there's a lot of land there, and the builders are still in the subdivision building homes. Let's say the builder has significant development going on there. If the first people that buy the property in that subdivision, they buy it, and why the builder's still there and they're building in the area, and these first owners want to sell their home, let's say in less than 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, it doesn't matter. As long as the builder's in there developing the area, because they have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, then there's a good highly chance that that buyer that bought the property now is trying to sell it, they're not going to be able to sell it because they're competing with the builder. And so that buyer is going to want to price their home the same price in their mind as, well, hey, well, this is what the house is selling for because this is what the builder is selling for. But the truth of the matter fact is that's not going to happen, because if I was a buyer and I had your house that was 100 and I had the builder's house that was 100, for example, I would take the builder's house because it's spanking new. You got the warranties, because with the builder you're going to give you the 1, the 3, and the 10, where on your house you're not getting all that. You might just only get the foundation if it's transferable, but that's about it. So one of the main areas, hot areas to find subject to deals is cookie cutter homes that are in new development and the homeowner are competing with home builders. When that happens, then the home seller is going to be in trouble unless they put significant down payment down, or they build significant equity. But usually doesn't happen unless they put a lot of down payment down, or they're making faster payments to reduce the principal reduction. But usually you're not going to find too many of those. Okay, that is a really good way, an area, if you want a physical area. Now there's mental sectors that you could target for subject twos, and let me give you a couple of examples. Divorce is a good sector you could target that's mentally, okay, and you could find data that you could send out letters to people that go on divorces. All right, another one is good is probate. And basically probate is people that inherited a house and they're trying to sell it, or there was a death in the family and things of that nature, okay? And this is another good target to hit because they're feeling mentally, okay? Being behind in payments, the pre-foreclosure list, guys, that's another one that's going to be a mentally thing, okay? I do show you how to pull this stuff up all for free in my course below, my subject to Launchpad. So go ahead and get it. Another sector which is mentally, but it's not like a physical area. It's not like the first area what I talked about is if you go to the new home builders, this is a physical area. The second idea is mentally. Another one is called the expires, where people try to sell their homes, they weren't able to, and they still need to sell, but they still need solution. So in this episode I talked about physical locations where you could find subject to, or a higher probability of finding subject to, and then I also talk about psychological sectors that you could target to find subject tos. Okay, now if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you're seeing this. I'll definitely answer any of your questions, or better yet, I'll make you a custom video to answer your question if I think that your question is going to help out the whole community, guys. This is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo. Don't take no for an answer. Go hustle and bustle. See you later, gang. Oh, by the way, if you like these videos, please like, please share, please comment, and tell your friends and family about me. See ya.